Did you know that as you grow, the rules for car seats change too? That's right, your seatbelt or booster seat needs to match your age and size to keep you safe while traveling a vehicle. Once you're over 7 years old, you need to use either an approved child restraint or properly adjusted and correctly fitted seatbelt. That could be a forward-facing restraint with a built-in harness, a booster seat with a properly fastened and adjusted adult seatbelt, or just the adult seatbelt, but only if you're tall enough. That's why booster seats are super important, and you should stay in your booster until you really outgrow it, not just because it's your birthday. Most kids are 10 to 12 years old before they're ready for an adult seatbelt. Remember, the law uses age to make it simple for parents, but your height still matters when choosing the right restraint.